Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about observer design pattern. So basically there are three kind of design patterns: creational, behavioral and structural. This comes under behavioral design patterns. In this case, if you see, the client application has three subscriptions: channel A, channel B and channel C. And client application is trying to make some change to its state, and the client wants the subscribed channel should get immediate notifications. So to do this, we can simply go ahead and design the observer design pattern. Let's take an example of the same design pattern. So think about your WhatsApp. The moment you want to upload a new picture or you want to upload your status, you want all the groups that you have in your WhatsApp should get some notifications. So you can go ahead and implement the same. And let's suppose you want to exit from one of the groups. Let's suppose you have this group called a channel C and you want to exit from here. In that case, what will happen? The notification will only go to channel A and channel B. Let's write some code in C++ to justify the observer design pattern. So we'll start with our main application. So this is our main application. You can see here. Let's suppose this is my profile. So I've created an object of my profile. Then I am actually adding few subscriptions. So I am adding subscription for the family group, then old friends group, and then my apartment group. So you can see here till this, I am adding some subscriptions. Then I am going to call this set profile pic. So the set profile pic is going to upload one picture called as enjoying a sunny day. The moment I upload this picture into my WhatsApp, automatically the subscribed groups, means the family group, the old friends group and my apartment group, will be notified that there has been some change by the profile that the user has created. So then what I'm trying to do here is I am trying to unsubscribe one of the channel. So currently my group is pointed to apartment. So the moment I do a unsubscribe, this my apartment will be unsubscribed. And when I'm going to call this set profile pic, only notifications will go to family group and the old friends group. Now let's try to understand from the implementation perspective. So let me take you to the WhatsApp profile. Let's get inside this definition. I'll take you to the declaration rather. So here if you see, in this class what we have is we have a list. This list is supposed to hold the list of subscriptions. So in this case, as we have seen, we have three kind of groups created here: family group, my apartment group and old friends group. So this can have all three or it can have zero also, depending on how many groups the application has subscribed. Then this is the state of the object that I was talking about. So client is trying to basically update the profile pic. So this is having the state of the client. Then this is the method that I have created, and this acts like a publisher. So this method let all the objects know that there is some change. So this is all about this method. Then we are having a method called as set profile pic. This will be called by the client, and then this is there for get profile pic. This will be used to basically get the profile pic by the observer. We'll see that later. Then we have another method called as register group. This will be utilized to insert a particular WhatsApp group into our list, the list that we have created here. And unregistered, it does this the opposite. So what it does is it is going to basically remove any of the subscription that is already there. Now let's understand the WhatsApp groups little better. So we have a class called as WhatsApp groups here. So if you look at this WhatsApp group, we have an object of WhatsApp profile, and then we have update WhatsApp app status, which is equated to 0. That means the definition will be overridden in the implementations. Then we have one method called as subscribe, which the intention of this is to subscribe to a particular channel, and then unsubscribe, and then we have get WhatsApp profile. We'll understand this little more when we try to debug this. So we have three implementations of this WhatsApp group. So these are like family, apartment, and then old friends. So let's take one example. I'll take old friends. Okay. So in old friends, what we do? We have destructor which does nothing but just nullifying the WhatsApp profile to null pointer, and then it deletes it. And in the constructor, you will see we are just trying to set the WhatsApp profile whichever has been sent by the user, and this update WhatsApp status method, this is important for us because from here only we are having a cout statement which is going to tell that okay, the object has been updated. So let me take you to the debugger, so where we can understand the application little better. So let me start the debugger. So we are going to create a profile object. I am trying to press F11. Okay, now I have moved to line number 10. I'm going to press F11 now. So my intent is to basically create a family group object with the WhatsApp profile. WhatsApp profile has been created previously. Now let me see what happens. So a group has been created. Now my group is pointing to family group. Now if my group is pointing to family group, then when I'm going to subscribe, the subscription method or the subscribe method for the family group will be called. Let me press F11 to get inside. So now what we're doing is we are calling the register group. I will go get I'll press F11 to get inside. Okay, now okay, I'm calling the register group. Now the intent of this one is just to push this particular WhatsApp group into my list of subscriptions. So now if I press F10 and look at my group, okay, now group is still connecting to that because we are yet to come here. So let me just show you the group here now. Now you can see here old friends has been linked here, and I'll go to the next line and go to the next line again. I'll show you the group now. Group will be connected to my apartment. Now let me see what happened to the profile object. Profile object is having three WhatsApp groups. You can see here 0. 0 is for family. Then let me go to 1, which is connected to old friend, and then let me go to 2, which is connected to my apartment group. So now apart from that, what it has is profile pic as blank. So now my intent is to set some profile pic. Let me upload a profile pic. So I'm going to press F11. Now I have sent a profile pic. Let's suppose enjoying a sunny day is the text that I'm trying to set, and I'm pressing F10. Now my profile pic has been set properly. Now my intention is to notify all the subscribed users that there is a change to my profile. So I'll go get inside this. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to loop through the list of WhatsApp groups. So let me see how many WhatsApp groups I have. 3. So all these 3 WhatsApp groups will be notified. Let me press F10. So now I'm going inside the first one. So I'm going to press F11. Now the family group update WhatsApp status is called. Now the print will happen for the get profile pic. Let's see. Okay. Now family group has been updated, enjoying a sunny day. Now family group is having the latest version of the profile pic. Let me press F10. Now I am inside the second item of the WhatsApp groups. So let me press F11. Okay, now now this is the second item, and let me press F11 now. Now I'll be getting the old friends group. Let me press F10. You can just look at it here. So now old friends group has been updated with enjoying a sunny day. Press F10 now. F10, F10. Now I'm pressing F10 again and pressing F11. Now I'm getting inside my apartment group update WhatsApp status. Now that will also be getting the latest version of the object. Now if you see, my apartment group has been updated, enjoying a sunny day. Let me press F10 now. Now the job of the set profile pic is done, and in turn the latest version of the object has been updated to all the subscribed channels. Just for readability, I have added this so that you can see a clear distinction. So a lot of star I have added here. Then what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to call unsubscribe. Let me press F11. So if you see here in unsubscribe, my intent is to unregister the group. So I am going to delete that particular group from the vector that I have created. So let me show you that. So if you see here, unregistered group is calling erase API to delete this particular WhatsApp group. Let me see what we are deleting here. So if you see here, we are having my apartment update status, group status. Okay, so the moment I do this, the my apartment will be deleted. Let me press F10. Now the moment I'm going to set profile pic, you can see the size of the WhatsApp group will be only 2. So let me just set the profile pic first, then call the notify. Now let me show you the size of this. Yes, the size is 2. What are they? So first one is update WhatsApp status for the family group. Second one is for the old friends group. And now I'm just going to put F10, F10, F10. So if you look at the console, you can see family group has been updated, enjoying summer vacation. Old friends group has been updated, enjoying summer vacation. That's it. You don't have any my apartment group here. Now if you want to do that, what you need to do, you need to again subscribe. So you need to basically point the group to the my apartment group, and then ask the group to subscribe it. Then you can again see the output. So that's all about the observer pattern. Thanks everyone for watching.